Market Rebellion CEO and chief market strategist Marc Lopresti was the guy who a year ago, let's put this up there, a year ago, you and your firm issued reports predicting this, quote, if the government spending spree on critical minerals is any indication, research and development money is just the tip of the iceberg of federal investment in the pursuit of U.S. dominance in quantum technology. How did you know? Are you Oz the mentalist?
Oh, that was the last time we were on together, Liz, and what an unbelievable show. Listen, I wish I had Oz's superpowers. I don't. We really love sort of seeing where the puck is headed. And at the end of the day, it comes down to this. It's a matter of national security. When Q-Day happens, that's that time when quantum technology accelerates to the point that bad actors can crack any form of modern cryptography, blockchain, banking, payment rails, stock markets. If we are not first, we will be last. So the president talked about this well over a year ago in the so-called Manhattan Project, where he intimated that there would be public investment in private entities, similar to the incredibly successful investment that was made in Intel. And this morning's news, I think, is just another tip of that iceberg. We have so much more to see in these names in the quantum space.
Okay, D-Wave Quantum, qubits, QBTS, that's getting a nice move. Wow, I am looking right now at Global Foundries. Global Foundries is hitting a record, $81.46. It's up let's call it 15% at the moment, Mark. All of these companies, I mean, they're set to get the largest individual award of $375 million earmarked for its quantum build-out. Of course, IBM is huge. It's getting $1 billion from the government, but also it's putting in $1 billion. And yet you're not picking IBM. Why not?
Well, listen, that's sort of the company that you think of as your grandfather's AI name, and they were included in that report. They were included in the report we did last year. We issued a follow-up report on the 20th of April of this year, by the way, Liz, where we revisited many of these names and teased again the expectation that there would be this government investment. IBM was in there. I just like, personally, and a lot of the market rebels like to trade some of the smaller names because you can have days like today. QBTS looking like it's going to close up 34%, QBT 20%, Rigetti, which we did not get into the list with your producers, up 31% today. And these are names that have already delivered solid returns for their investors.
Yep. Well, let us know the next time you're putting out a list like that, because you were a year ahead in predicting this. Mark, great to see you. Thank you so much.
Always a pleasure, Liz.
Marc Lopresti.